Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick little review on the LaColors lip scrub. I found this at the Dollar Tree for $1. They had these in several different scents. I picked up mint and I was finally so excited to find this at my Dollar Tree. However, I am disappointed in this particular product. I've used this a few times now and I've literally got no grittiness. It's not like a lip scrub, or at least maybe I got a dud. I am not a fan of this. It leaves a thick kind of chapstick kind of layer on my lips. It does not smell like mint either. This product also, when applying it on the lips, you would definitely also think, because it is a minty marketed kind of product, that it would be kind of minty sensation on your lips, like a tingling, cooling, or it would have some kind of minty as well as a cooling kind of tingling effect on your lips. It does none of that as well. It's a beautiful color, beautiful packaging in my opinion, but overall it did not perform. Like I said, I've used it several times. There's no gritty like pieces in it to do any kind of scrub with it. It literally just feels like a thick chapstick that doesn't really absorb into your lips. So very pretty, but see, even this, like I'm doing on my hand, and you can clearly see there's nothing gritty coming off. It doesn't feel gritty or anything. Also, you don't get that much product either, but once again, this was $1 and that's about it, unfortunately. It didn't do anything. Still rubbing. No grits. Nothing literally is coming out of this lip scrub. I feel like if you're going to market a lip scrub, obviously you're going to need to put some almond pieces or sugar or something in there for it to be a scrub. This is just not it, ladies. Well, I definitely recommend trying out e.l.f.'s lip scrub. It's amazing and will take the dead skin off of your lips. Otherwise, I would say leave this at the Dollar Tree. Don't try it unless you just want to try it. I mean, it is just $1. I'm typically like that. I will watch a ton of reviews, but if I want to try something bad enough, I will pick it up myself so I can have my own opinion on it. But overall, this to me is not a good lip scrub because there's no scrub to it. I hope you guys found this little mini review helpful. Maybe you'll try the product out, maybe you won't. Thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And don't forget to check the description box for additional links. Stay tuned for more LaColors reviews.